Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'll show you how to enjoy Ikebana, the traditional Japanese art of flower arranging, in a super fun and easy way. If you are into Japanese culture, stick around and enjoy. So, let's get started. Have you ever heard of Ikebana, the traditional Japanese art of flower arranging? Ikebana is Japan's unique style of floral arrangement. It can be done in the shallow container using a kenzan, or arrange it in a vase. What makes Ikebana special is the idea of the beauty of simplicity. Using just a few flowers to create something full of life and expression. In Ikebana, we see flowers, branches, and plants as living things. When we arrange them, we are embracing their life and expressing gratitude for their beauty. That's why the spirit of Ikebana is about respecting nature, appreciating life, and arranging flowers with care and intention. When practicing Ikebana, it's important to take a deep breath, calm your mind, and connect with your feelings, much like the mindfulness found in Zen. Ikebana might seem a bit complicated at first. Traditionally, people take lessons to learn the proper techniques and use special containers. But actually, it's super easy to enjoy in everyday life. If you are new to Ikebana, just start at home and have fun with it. Take some seasonal flowers or greenery and arrange them however you like in your favorite container. You don't need anything fancy. A salad bowl or even a drinking glass work just fine. Choosing something that makes it easy to change the water is a good idea too. To get started, all you really need is a pair of flower scissors and container. If you are using a kenzan, you also need a dish or bowl that's deep enough so that when you add water, the tips of the kenzan are covered. If you are using a vase, it's a good idea to choose one that matches your favorite style or containers, the color and a type of flowers you are arranging. In the beginning, I wouldn't recommend use a large vase. It's best to start with a table-sized vase. Next, let's talk about scissors. The one we use for Ikebana are called the hanabasami, and they are usually made of iron or stainless steel. Personally, I switch between iron and stainless steel scissors depending on the situation. But don't worry, if you don't have special Ikebana scissors, you can use gardening scissors instead. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Hope you like it. Next time, I'll be talking about how to use the tool. If you enjoyed today's video, I'd love it if you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really keeps me motivated, and of course, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. So, see you in the next video. Bye!